Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at this right here. The TEMU E99 Pro 4K dual camera drone. There it is right there. And there's the back picture, which is covered up by that shipping label. And it doesn't say, I guess all the data is probably covered up on there. But supposedly it has a 4K camera. This one only has one battery, so yeah, we're only going to get one shot at going out and flying it. But let's get into the case. So inside that box you get this case right here, and inside the case, voila, you get that right there, the drone itself. Let's get it out of there. Anyway, inside the case you get the drone right here. Here it is. There's the camera. It says photo video on there. I don't know what that, there's no spot for an SD card or anything like that. This is just some cheap knockoff. Let's turn on the power. Okay, it binds itself. You don't have to do any input on there. Let's do the level calibration, which is down and out. And then down and in to arm the props, and down and in to disarm the props, okay? So there's that. Then you get your bag, your charger and all that good stuff in there, and your QR code. And the name of the app is going to be called HF-UFO. So let's fire that up so we can see some of the video before we go fly it. The Wi-Fi signal will have a name on it that says HF at the beginning of it. And at the front of the app, that's what it looks like. And just go to start flying. And there goes and it's upside down for some reason, so let me see if there's some spot in the app to flip the video signal upside down. Flip it around any. I don't see. Oh, it's just probably the app is upside down. So, but if the video comes in upside down, I'll flip it over in the video software, But it looks kind of blurry actually. If you look at it there, yeah, it doesn't look that clear. My pile is getting lower, see? There's my pile over there on the floor. My pile is getting smaller. Okay, alright guys. I'm really not seeing anything on here about all these specs, but it just seems like one of the E88. It's just called Fold Drone. That's what, here, there you go, Fold Drone. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's just go with that, right? Alright guys, let's just go fly this thing. I'm thinking it's going to fly for like 5-6 minutes with that little battery in there, so. And we only got one, so we're being saved. Alright guys, let's just go fly it. Hey guys, we're out here with the TEMU E99 Pro. And it looks real pro-y. Okay, so let's fire this thing up and get this app going. Oh, whoa, this thing's in a hurry to go. Let's slow down your roll here. Okay. Okay, so I'll put some video in probably at the back end, because these videos they're hard to sync. Okay, so it started some video. Let me get the high rate going first before I take off. Let me do the level calibration. So we got some video going here. Yeah, it's kind of like not that hot. Okay, so let's trim it out a little bit here. Well, it's hanging pretty good right there. I don't have my hands on the thing at all, so it's sitting there. It just doesn't steer well. It's a little floaty. And that video's got major jello, okay? There's like jello galore. But Oh yeah, it floats around like crazy. Wow. Okay, so it didn't do a flip when I held. Okay, so. Okay. Anyway, the flip isn't working. So I'm holding it in, but as you can hear, that annoying ass beep. Okay, so the flips don't work, so who cares? It's just a flip, right? I mean, I guess it's flying okay. It's just, you just gotta just get used to the floatiness of it. It's not real crisp as far as the flying goes. And the video looks, I mean, the video just looks absolutely awful. I mean, I'll try to sink it in there, but yeah. Okay, I got it back in the second rate now to see if it... Wow, it's got quite a bit of lag. I'll bet you it's because of that dang video. Because of that Wi-Fi. Let me shut the video off. Okay, I stopped the video, so whatever we got, I'll put in there. I just shut the Wi-Fi off. And you know, we'll put that little timer in there to tell you what the battery life is. Yeah, the Wi-Fi's not making a whole bunch of difference. Okay, so it just, yeah, it's kind of just crappy, you know. Just kind of like one of those deals. Whoa. It's also a little haunted. I guess the battery ran out. So that was, I did see kind of the headlights flashing in the front. See that? But I assumed, like a dummy, okay, I assumed that was just, you know, the way it was supposed to be. I think this thing was flashing bright not too long after I took off. You know, I didn't think it would be out of battery that quick. What does that thing say that it had, you know, all this 1800 or something mumbo jumbo? This thing probably got like a 300 amp hour battery. What's it say on there? 1800 milliamp hours. There ain't no way that was 1800 milliamp hours. Okay, so yeah, get out of here with that thing. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.